France to vaccinate against COVID-19 very soon? The government of France prepares for a nationwide COVID-19 vaccination campaign. It is motivated by two vaccine makers that reveal the astonishing efficacy rates of their vaccines. These rates will matter in the application for emergency use authorization from regulators. As such, France wants to get as many doses as possible for its citizens. However, there is a slight hurdle in the campaign. Some people in France may not be interested in being vaccinated willingly. While the government may order a mandatory vaccination, it will not reverse the mindsets of those who disagree. In a September poll by Ipsos, the global rate of willingness to get vaccinated against COVID-19 was 74% among surveyed adults. Only 37% strongly agreed, while 37% somewhat agreed to the idea. Around 26% disagreed, 15% somewhat disagreed, and 12% strongly disagreed. Per territory, the individual rate significantly differed. Countries with the highest approval for vaccines were China at 97%, Brazil at 88%, Australia at 88%, and India at 87%. Nations with the lowest approval were Russia at 54%, Poland at 56%, Hungary at 56%, and France at 59%. Jean Castex, France's Prime Minister, said, "My fear is that not enough French people will get vaccinated." Of almost 5,000 adults surveyed, the main reason why they didn't want a vaccine is side effects. Side effects scored at 56% as the most concerning factor. About 70% in Spain, 68% in Sweden, 41% in Argentina, and 40% in Saudi Arabia cited that reason. The next big reason is the effectiveness, cited by 29% of people globally. Around 44% in Russia and Poland, 12% in China, and 9% in Mexico noted that reason. The poll also showed the expectation of a COVID-19 vaccine becoming available. Across 27 countries, 59% disagreed that the vaccine would become available before 2020 ends. That expectation is challenging the progress of Moderna and Pfizer, which are likely busy with EUA applications. According to Medical Express, France already reserved $1.77 billion for vaccine doses in 2021. While the European Medicines Agency may authorize the first vaccine in Europe by the end of the year. Several hundreds of millions of doses were selected as well from various pharma companies. Though, the ultimate decision revolves around the vaccine with the best chance of controlling COVID-19 and minimal risk on health. France sets the campaign in January 2021.